Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I actually didn't know what happened to my screen recorder, but this is happening almost every day. And yeah, this is just my parrot, new parrot named Buddy. Now you probably may be questioning why I unadopted the last one. I didn't really unadopt him. I just got like I shouldn't have really took pets on an adventure, cause you can't bring them back if you die. Why is this pig just looking at me? What is over there? There's just clouds, piggy. Pigsley. No need to worry about it. Now I'm gonna try and change my skin because okay, now it's good. Now let me change my video. And yeah, let's continue. First person. Yeah. My other dog, Vanilla, is in my safe house right now. That's his new home, actually. So yeah, I'm just gonna show her to you. Vanilla is so adorable. Okay, my parrot is on me. Okay, I think you really like this place. But Vanilla is a guard dog. Today was her first training session. Did you guys know that? Of course you did, because I didn't film a video about it. Oh, would you look at that? A horse with a saddle. Look, I don't know how you got there, but yeah, that's just odd. Should he fall in the water with him? No. Okay, he looks like he's hungry. That's why he's probably so slow. Okay, let's jump over the fence, buddy. Oh, my guy. Okay, I literally love my bee farm, although one bee just got out, just like that. Okay, Squawky, now you can get off. Whenever I fall down to the ground, Squawky just gets off. Buddy just gets off. I've called him Squawky like 2 times in a row already. Okay, Squawky, you can follow me around this place. Ooh, would you look at that? We got an egg. Oh, we got a baby chick. Baby. Okay, we don't got any more baby chicks. Okay, we got 2 more. Squawky, where are you? Okay, to get out of doors and indoors, oh my god, this bee is just outside. This honey farm, it's just teasing me that, haha, look, I got outside. I don't care, I'm just gonna leash it back in here. Hey, bee guy, you gotta come back. I'm sorry to say that. Come on. Try and leash it. Okay, come. Don't these bees sit down like anywhere? Oh, sorry, buddy, sorry. Trying to leash this bee, but it isn't. Bee. Dude, you gotta get over here. Bee, dude. No, I unleashed it. This bee is annoying me so much. You know I can also kill you, right? Like probably with a 1 hit. Not with my hand. Bee. Okay. Oh, I leashed it. Okay. No, it broke. Okay, Bee, you gotta come over here. Squawky, come on my shoulder. Trying to get this bee back in the nest. Come on, Bee. Come on. Okay, there we go. Can you just sit down for a moment? Like, yeah, get some nectar. This is so annoying. You know what, I'm just... Okay. It broke. Come on, buddy. Come on to my shoulder. No, like, his actual name is Buddy. Like, I don't even call him that. Buddy is so adorable. Should have gotten a like light blue parrot so that he doesn't really look like Squawky. Oh no, a parrot is drowning. No, Mr. Parrot, you can't drown. Here, I'll lead you. Come on, let's go. Come on, Mr. Parrot, I'll unleash you. You should say thank you to me. Huh, where's Buddy? Buddy, I think he's kind of sad that I left him and got a new parrot. Come on, I didn't even leave you. I just helped out a friend of yours. Okay, now that friend is trying to go back into the water. What is he gonna do? He's probably just gonna try and kill himself. Dude, stop flying over the water. Else I'm gonna put you in some very bad water. Yeah, you'll see what that means. It's not really bad water, it's like good water, but like, you know, whatever. Come on, Squawky, let's go. Okay, I'll show you my treasure. I mean, Buddy, I'll show you my treasure. I'm really used to saying Squawky now. Okay, this time we have to be very careful because there's water down below and I don't want Squawky to drown. Wait, this could be a very good training session for Manila. But why am I only doing a swimming session? Oh, I got an idea. Lily pads. Lily pad. Now Manila is gonna go through all these lily pads. No, 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 no. Squawky, Squawky, Squawky. Look, I can just pull Squawky out of the water by going up myself. Like, it's an invisible bleed. Good Squawky. Okay, now Squawky, we can jump. Oh, that was a close one. Jump, 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 and jump. Okay, so, ouch. Whoa, whoa, Squawky, Squawky, are you on my shoulder? No, he isn't on my shoulder. Whoa, Squawky, Squawky, Squawky. Why do I keep calling him Squawky? Buddy, 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 Buddy. I'm just gonna say that 1,000 times in my mind. Where is he? Oh, there you are. Vanilla, come over here. Okay, this is a really big bridge. Vanilla. Okay, Squawky is just gonna follow me, so don't you guys worry. Okay, I'm going so fast. Like Squawky, Buddy can't even generate over here, I think. Huh, Buddy? Buddy. That does not look like Buddy. Do I gotta go all the way back? There he is. He was like super worried, I guess. Like, he's the only one with a name tag around, so it's pretty easy to get him. Buddy is just looking backward and he's like, why are we zooming so much? Don't worry, Buddy. No reason. Okay, now, Buddy, you can get off. Okay, he's already off. Where did he get off? Buddy. Yeah, good, Buddy. Now sit. First I gotta clear my inventory. Accept deletes. Okay, buddy. These days I can just find my safe house. But sometimes I gotta use the ladder, like right now. Ouch. Why? What the? It's just a one block thing. Oh, I left my trapdoor open. That's super dangerous. Like these days, like people are super dangerous. Come on, Vanilla. Usually get off from the balcony. She's just wagging her tail. But I'm gonna make you a tough dog, but you're also gonna be like this, like a happy dog. In today's training session, we're gonna see how well you are in not falling. Like right now. But there's gonna be water down below later on. Oh, sorry, Vanilla. Come on. Girl, aren't dogs supposed to be like trained bodyguard dogs or like bodyguard dogs? I don't know what they're called, okay? Don't judge me. Like, they're supposed to be boys, but this one is a girl. And yeah. I also did something else over here. This is some of my work. Whoa, buddy. You know what? He'll follow me anyways. She'll follow me anyways. Okay, let's get an elytra. Let's get to the other side of this thing. Of this tank. Come on, Vanilla. Come on, buddy. Yeah, good. Good girl. Oh. Kind of going slowly. Oh no, it's raining. Well, that's a good sign, in fact. Vanilla can do her training in the rain. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, Vanilla, come on. Come on, girly pop. It's a bit around the corner. Come on. Yeah, there we go. Okay, buddy. You gotta be super duper careful. Okay. So I'm gonna get super duper on the edge. Okay, I'm gonna run. Okay. I gotta hit Vanilla off. Like this. Oh, I feel so guilty. Vanilla, this is just for your training, okay? Don't worry. I know you're something like a weak dog, so I won't be too harsh on you. Come on, Vanilla, you can do it. Shake it off now, shake it off. I think Vanilla was a bit worried. Okay, now I gotta do that. Yeah, you can go. Go, girl. Go, you're so adorable. Oh, oh my god, you got 3, so 3 bites. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go now. Oh, that glitch was pretty amazing. Okay, so Vanilla, Come on up, girl. Once again, I'm gonna push you off the edge. And I'm also gonna come. Oh. This is getting kind of hard. Come on, Vanilla. You can do it. Okay, now this is also gonna be a super duper big floppy thing. Like, okay, so we're gonna stay over here and we're gonna go a bit high and boom, chicka chicka boom. Okay, Vanilla is like so weird. We gotta save this parrot. I wonder how many hearts she just lost in between this training. I saved you, buddy. Okay, so now let's all go to a shelter. Let's get it under a tree so that Vanilla can shake off. Okay. Now, see, that water is going to be your other training session. So good luck. Can't really see Vanilla. Vanilla. Okay, I see the bubbles. Okay. This time you have to come on your own, girl. You can do it. Come on, I got a pork chop. Yeah, come on. Only if you can reach the end right here. Come on. You can do it. I know you know how to swim. Look, the weather cleared out. Come. Dude, Vanilla, you just gave me a heart attack. Okay, now I'm angry. And you gotta go to a harder training session. The deep training session. So that I don't drown, I'm just gonna do this. No, 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 Mr. Parrot. No, no, no. Good, Mr. Parrot. Come on, Vanilla. Okay, so she can't TP in like water. This is getting like pretty boring, Vanilla. Okay, why am I not in a deep level? Okay, so I'm just gonna go a bit deeper so that Vanilla can learn how to breathe underwater. Water. 2:15. Okay, Vanilla, this is gonna hurt a teensy-weensy bit. Okay, so now we got water breathing. Now it's gonna be good. Now I hit that fish. I gotta hit it. Oh, now it has a child. Come on, Vanilla. To the dark bottom of the sea to save your owner. Why isn't she coming? Maybe I'll just pull her with the lead. Oh, sorry, Vanilla. Okay. Yes, that's good. She can't die, right? Because she got a potion of water breathing. Look. Isn't this beautiful? Like being under the sea. This is amazing. Come on, Vanilla. Don't be shy. I know you're a dog that floats. What if I just unleash her? Look, she's going back up to the top. Like my lead. Vanilla, don't. Oh, would you look at that now? She's right on top of me. Okay, Vanilla, I'm coming back up to the shore. Come on. Vanilla. You coming? Where are you? Don't give me a heart attack again. Okay. So, I'm gonna drink milk. And I'm gonna give you... Okay. Let's see if Vanilla can follow me like this.